Hello everyone, welcome to Bizotech. Now in the previous video we solved 5 questions from the topic coding and decoding. This video is a continuation part of the same. Here again we will be solving 5 questions. So let's begin. This is the first question which belongs to the type letter coding. If Maple is coded as VOKZN, then how will Camel be coded as? And there are 4 options given. So let's look into the solution. The only instruction that we have got in the question is Maple being coded as VOKZN. So what are we going to do is find the position of M, and that is 13. So now the reverse 13th position, that is when we count from Z to A, the 13th alphabet that we get is for N. But here in the question we can see M is placed at the first bit and N is placed at the last bit. Now just let's continue doing counting the position of other alphabets too. A will be in the first position when we do from A to Z, and when we do it in the reverse order we get Z as number 1 and we can see that is in the fourth position. Next P. P is in the 16th position and K is in the 16th position from Z to A. L, when we see from A to Z, it is in the position 12, and O from Z to A, it's in the 12th position. Similarly, for E, when we count from A to Z, it's in the 5th position, and when we count from Z to A, we can find in the 5th position the alphabet V. So what they've done is they've taken the alphabet from A to Z and also in the reverse order, and then they've whatever answer they've got they just have reversed it. So if you just see the proper positioning, Maple will become NZKOV, but here in the question they just have reversed all the alphabets and they've put it in the question. So similarly we can do this for Camel. Alphabet C, which comes in the third position, so that will go to the last when we count from Z to A. Similarly for A is in the first position when we count from A to Z. Now Z to A, first position will go to Z. Third alphabet M. We all know that in the previous instruction that they've given, M is in the 13th position and so N will be in the 13th position from backside. So here also in Camel's case, M is 13th in the proper order and N is in the reverse order with the same position 13. E, that is also given in the question. E is in the 5th position from A to Z. So B is in the 5th position from Z to A. Lastly, L, which is in the 12th position from A to Z, and O will be getting in the 12th position when we count from Z to A. So the answer will be C, OVNZX. Let's see the second question. If savory is coded as OVUARSY, then how will radiate be coded? Now, if you see the question, you can also guess that they have just changed it to some orders or there is some position that they have changed. So we need to find out how the savory has become OVUARSY so that we can include the same logic for our word which is radiate. Let's solve this. Okay, when we compare the positions of SAVOURY in savory and the other hint that we have OVUARSY, what we have to first do is write S as 1, A as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That's what they have numbered here, the position of savory. Now that sequence is being changed in this form in the position 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1, 7. For example, the first letter O is in the fourth position in this word savory. S is the first letter word, So that you can see as the last one here. So they just compare the position of the original word to another word which is coded as. So fourth letter O comes as the first position, third at the second, etc. So we have to just do the same thing with the word radiate to get the proper answer. Just positioning the letters of radiate and all the positions that has been marked for radiate, take out the same numbers and see what is the word that we finally get. So radiate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then now just in the same order that they have written this one, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1, 7. So the fourth position will go for the letter I. So that's why we have I here. And then A is 2, D is 3, I is 4, A is 5, T is 6, E is 7 from the word radiate. So just look for this position 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1, 7 and just replace all the words that you have marked for radiate to get the answer which is A D A A T R E, which is option D, with the position of 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1, 7. Let's solve the third question. This is also a letter coding question. If burner is coded as CASOIS, then how will element be coded as? Let's solve this. Okay, so what they've done, they've taken this word burner and they've coded as CASOIS. We just have to take the next consonant or vowel in the alphabetical sequence that's there. So they have written burner like this. So we'll see. After B, we have C. So B is in consonant. So the next consonant in sequence is C. So that's how we have B tending to C. Next U. U is in vowel. So we all know that A, E, I, O, U is considered as vowel. So we just have to take the next cycle. So after U again we have A. So that's why U is considered as A. Next we have a consonant which is R. So the next alphabet or the next consonant that we have after R is S. So that's why R is tend to S. Later on again we have N, which is still a consonant. So next letter that we have is O. So here N is coded as O. The next letter that we have is E, which is the vowel. So look into your vowel and see what comes after E, which is I. So that's why we write I here. And the last one is R. The next consonant is S. So this is the code that we have got from the question. Now let's solve it for element. A. A is a vowel, so the next letter of the vowel is E. So A tends to E. Next we have L. L is a consonant and after L we have M. So that's it. And then we have I, which is again a vowel. So we just have to look into the vowel set and see what is the next alphabet. We have O. So A, L, I is done. Now the next pair is a consonant pair M. The next alphabet, which is N. This is a vowel pair E and I. And next we have the consonant. So whatever comes as the next alphabet, you just have to write that, which is O. And then T, again a consonant pair. After this alphabet T, whatever comes next, which is U, that becomes it. So the final answer will be ENONIOU, which is my option C. The next question. In a particular language, Tom Kun Sat means boys are playing, Kun Jo Mop means boys and girls, Mat Tom Ko means life is beautiful. How is boys coded as? Now here it is from the type mixed letter coding. There are two or three messages. We just have to compare each one and find the answer. So here we just have to find what are boys coded as. And we have got the options, so let's begin solving the question. Okay, so first what we have to do is identify what is our question. So boys. Look at three messages and find out where does this word appear. So the first message we see Tom Khan said boys are playing. So definitely in this message we have our boys code. And the next one Kun Jo Mop means boys and girls. So definitely in this case also we have got boys. But in Mutt Tom Co Life is Beautiful we don't have boys, so we can just directly ignore this code and just focus on these two messages, the highlighted one, Tom Concert and Kanjo Mob. So here there is just one word which is common, which is boys. Are playing is not there in this set, and girls it's not there in the first set. So the only common word that's there is boys. So it's easy to find out. Compare Tom Concert and Kanjo Mob. The only common word is this one. Kan. So our answer becomes Kan, which is option B. These kind of questions are very easy compared to actual letter coding and number coding, because we just have to compare the common words from the messages that is given and find the answer. Let's get into the next question, our last question for this video. If the word school is coded as TFMVXW, what is the code for the college? Let's find out. So our hint here is school being coded as TFMVXW. So let's see what's the pattern over there. So school, all the odd numbers, +1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And the answer is TFMVXW. So when you add 1 to S, it becomes T. When you add the next odd number 3 to C, it becomes F. +5 of H becomes M. +7 of O becomes V. +9 of O becomes X. And +11 of L becomes W. So it's just the addition of alphabets using the odd numbers. So we'll do the same thing for the college. But here we have got one extra letter, so we have to also include the next odd number after 11. So we have 13 here. And this is the alphabets that we'll get when we add. So C plus 1, after C, if you add just 1, you get D. O, after +3, we get R. P, Q, and R. So similarly, we have to do L plus 5, L plus 7, E plus 9, G plus 11, and E plus 13, so that we can get D, R, Q, S, N, R, R. So that is our option C, D, R, Q, S, N, R, R. I hope you have understood all the 5 problems. Thank you for watching.